Locally owned and operated, Air Pride Heating and Air Conditioning has been providing customers in the Chicagoland area with experienced residential and commercial service, maintenance, installations, and estimates since 1969. We provide full service for all your HVAC needs, from purchasing and selling to installations and repair work. And we offer a wide selection of residential and commercial HVAC products, including air conditioning systems, heating systems, heating cooling package systems, and ventilators. Our technicians are highly trained, certified, and have a minimum of 10 years experience before joining our team, and are available 24/7 for emergency service at no additional charge, with most calls responded to within an hour. Don't wait to get your system repaired or installed. Call Air Pride Heating and Air Conditioning today for the best support available to meet your needs, schedule, and budget.